The manufacturing process of tube and profiles. At the beginning of the process, raw coils are loaded into the decoiler, and the uncoiled sheet passes through the leveling unit to be straightened before continuing to the next stage. The next machine in line is the shear and butt welding, which connects the end of one coil to the beginning of the next. This minimizes production downtime when switching coils. The uncoiled sheet then enters the accumulator, where it is temporarily stored. The accumulator balances the flow of material by feeding or holding the sheet depending on the line's speed changes, ensuring smooth and continuous production. The next stage is the roll forming machine, which itself begins with an additional leveling system to remove any remaining waves or bends in the sheet. The sheet is gradually bent at each station, and the edges come together to form a round tube. However, this tube still has an open seam, which must be closed, so the tube moves toward the high-frequency welding system, where the edges are welded together. After welding, any internal burrs created during the process are removed. The tube then travels along a path of approximately 5 meters to cool down from the high temperature generated during welding. Next, the tube enters the sizing section, where it is either adjusted to the required round diameter or reshaped by rollers into square, rectangular, oval, or other polygonal profiles. Following the sizing unit is the straightening section, which corrects any deformations such as bends, twists, or bulges that may have occurred during forming. At the end of the line, a flying cut-off machine cuts the tube to the desired length while moving synchronously with the product. This advanced cutting method ensures that the production speed remains uninterrupted. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we release new videos. Don't forget to like and leave a comment, and feel free to share our content with your friends.